The Fiat Topolino is an adorable micromobility vehicle suited for use on private roads or in neighborhoods that allow it. But if you want to kick things up a notch and take your Topolino onto the surrounding public roads, you'll soon be able to do just that. This fancy Italian golf cart has an optional street-legal conversion kit, which will be made available in the fall. Now your Topolino will qualify as a low-speed vehicle, capable of traveling on roads with speed limits of up to 35 miles per hour. The conversion kit will be a no-cost upgrade for Topolino shoppers. According to Road and Track, the kit includes a rear-view mirror with an integrated reverse camera. The top speed is raised from 19 miles per hour up to 25 miles per hour. An auditory pedestrian alert system. Regulatory stickers and an actual VIN. Once your Topolino gets all those goodies, you can register it and insure it. Then you're able to legally drive it on public roads. At least, in the states that allow low-speed vehicles on their roads. Just remember, though, that you have a top speed of 25 miles per hour. You're not making freeway runs in your Topolino. But should your lower speed roads allow for runs to the store, dropping a kid off at school, or hitting your favorite restaurant, then a Topolino would be a brilliant way to get around. An even better use case would be to drive a Topolino to your local golf course, then simply use the Topo as your golf cart, and drive back home when your round is over.